Welcome back. Days after the recovery of a mountain of cash amounting to more than 36 crore rupees, Jharkhand Minister Alamgir Alam has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, making it the second major action by the central agency this year against political heavyweights in the state. The Jharkhand minister was arrested after 2 consecutive days of questioning by the ED sleuths in Ranchi in connection with the recovery of huge pile of cash at the domestic help of the personal secretary's house. He is likely to be produced in the PMLA court today. We have Bhavtosh joining us on the broadcast with more details. Bhavtosh, yes, politics is underway on this issue, but apart from that, let's focus more on the investigation. After 36 crore rupees was found seized by the Enforcement Directorate, it led them to Alamgir Alam. He is now been arrested.
Yes, Swati, apart from politics, the fact is that this huge amount of cash, the mountain of cash that was recovered from the residence of PS Domestic Help, was something that led to ED asking questions, some very tough questions from the minister, and the minister could not answer this. It's more or less clear that house did not belong to the domestic help, and even the PS could not answer this question. Importantly, apart from the cash, what ED also recovered was some very secret and confidential documents that ED had with the Rural Development Ministry. Now, these documents what ED had asked the Rural Development Ministry was that an FIR should immediately be registered pertaining to a corruption case. But that document was found in the premises of domestic help. Apart from that, there were some documents pertaining to transfer posting and also, importantly, some correspondence between ministers and the chief minister. Now, he was specifically asked questions about the cash recovery as well as about these documents. He could not answer them. ED has further said that commission anywhere ranging from 1%, 0.3% to 5% was being taken by people said to be close to the minister, and this was being taken from private individuals as well as from contractors and industrial houses. And this was not only going to the minister but also to the other individuals. The question is whether this cash was being used in election or for other purposes, and this is the reason why the minister has been arrested. And it's likely that ED will be asking for custody not less than 14 days.
All right, Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Now, we also have reactions coming in from chief ministers of the BJP-ruled states. Let's listen into the reactions. BJP tears into INDI bloc. Politics is intensifying.
हाँ, अच्छा हुआ ना, एक गिरफ्तारी तो एक हुआ है और बहुत कुछ होना है यहाँ।
देखिए, मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, ये जो परिवारवादी हैं, भ्रष्टाचारी हैं, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं कि भ्रष्टाचारी को छोड़ना चाहिए क्या? अरे इस देश में इन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार का आलम जिस तरह से कर रखा है वो आप सभी के सामने है। भ्रष्टाचार और तुष्टीकरण के आधार पर देश नहीं चल सकता, देश संविधान के आधार पर चलेगा।